And now I will show you how to do the 4-part squat. Alright, first, again, we have to make sure that our core is tight, keeping our back straight. So feet should be aligned to your shoulder, not too wide, not too close, just align. And then you have to bend your knees forward to the full squat position. Hold your feet, and you have to make sure that your core is tight, back straight. And then arms overhead, one at a time. And then slowly up, keeping your back straight. Alright, so let's do it. One more time. Last two. And last one. And those are the steps on how to do the 4-part squat.